Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert text to your document using the Pages application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Pages application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application, enter to open up the application, and now let's go to File, go to Open, navigate towards the desktop. There we see Documents.Pages. Click on Documents.Pages now, let's open. And now let's just increase the size of the Pages window. So we will now be inserting text into the document. Let's now zoom by 200%. Let's just say Computer Science Videos. What we can do is also go to the top navigation menu where we see text, click on this. And this gives us a box that allows us to type to enter any text. So let's go within that box and type Computer Science Videos. And there we go. If we wish to, we can move this box around, decrease the size of the text box. If we wish to, we can then edit the text on screen, but that is for another video. So let's now Command S to save. The changes have taken place, so we can now quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.